Right guys, back wildlife filming again, and I have a pocket full of seed. Now, I'm going to seed out this area. This is the area where I seen all those lovely small birds. The chaffinches, the yellow buntings. I've seen a wren, I've seen umpteen species, blue tits, robins, everything. So you can probably hear them just now. So I'm going to put some seed on some of the stumps. I'll take you with me. Let's get the camera off here. And you can see the sun is shining again. These are the stumps I'm going to put some seed on, so let's go. As I said, I've filled my pockets with lots and lots of seed. So, here's the first one. Sprinkle some. Doesn't matter if any a bit more. Yeah. Lovely. What I'll do is, with all these stumps of over here, there's a couple there, there's a few over there. Sorry, a couple over there, a few over there. We'll get them all done. Turned out great, great day. Now, what I'll do is, put you back on the stand and I'll set up my camera. That's it all set up. Take this one. Right guys, that's it all set up. All set up. Pointing to the stumps. There's quite a few of them there. I've seeded them all. So it's a waiting game now. Yeah, I can't believe how many species of birds are in this piece of the moorland here. And I think we should get something. I've already filmed a few shots of the blue tits, so that's great. What a difference it is as well, just to have a relaxing time just sitting about. I mean, all wildlife, as you know, is a waiting game, so you've got to be patient and you've got to just take your time and bring enough drinks and goodies and whatnot to keep you supplied until you get the shot. What I've noticed here as well is there's a lot of bees building their nests on the ground here as well, so I might get some of that in film. I once was filming up at the falls, getting some film of salmon leaping the falls, and lo and behold, just below where I was filming, I had actually chose a spot where the bumblebee colony had had a nest, and they were going in and out all day when I was filming. It was beautiful just to watch them, and I never even actually filmed that, but I was too engrossed with the salmon leaping. So I will get that one day. I might get it here as well. Yeah, that'll be lovely to get a bumblebee colony going in and out of their nest. Usually it's in the ground, a hole in the ground that they build their nest. Right, just for a little test, I'm going to let you see through the scope on the stumps and let you see what it looks like. Let's have a look. There you are. It's a bit fiddly, but there you are. Two stumps there. Quite a distance away. Isn't that lovely? Shows you what the scope can do. Show you in real life the stumps. Way down there. That's them down there. What a difference there. So, all we've got to do now is wait on the birds and get some film. So I've got quite a couple of different things to film them by. I've got the scope, I've got my Panasonic and my big camera. So we should have ample, we'll not run out of things to, equipment to film the species on. Yeah. So guys, I've showed you my setup, my scope setup, so I'm going to love yous and leave yous, and I hope yous enjoy those little video shorts that I'm posting up on YouTube, the YouTube shorts. And I'll show you when I get some results from this scope. Yeah, you never know what you'll find like, but as I said, it's a waiting game, and you've got to put in the hours to get the results. But I think I have chosen a great spot. You probably agree with me. And I'm getting a suntanner at the same time. So anyway, let's go on to the next vlog. I'm going to have some. I brought a flask and some sandwiches this afternoon. So we'll see how things go, and we'll be back out again tomorrow. Let's go.